Whether it's a boat or a boat in a bottle, collector car or toy collection, find what you're looking for at kbid.com, the Upper Midwest's leading online auction venue. Bids start at $5 on thousands of items: vehicles, equipment, business liquidations, household items, and retail inventory. The thousands of auctions on KBid are managed and completed by a network of independent affiliates who sell here because of the incredible buyer traffic. KBid's professional network of independent affiliates help local individuals and businesses turn assets into cash fast. You'll find plenty of amazing deals, but bidding is totally free, and you only pay if you win. You can give KBid your maximum offer, which is hidden from other buyers. Extended bidding on KBid protects your bid from last-second snipers. Buyers have the ability to inspect items in person prior to bidding. Some items can be shipped, while others require pickup at the auction location. From living room furniture to pallet racking, from forklifts to refrigerators, and everything in between, your perfect find is at KBid. Sign up at kbid.com to start bidding today.